Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haze and this is Procreate Basic Series. Today is episode 15 and today we will be continuing on the last part of the adjustment tab. So in today's tutorial, we'll be learning all about Liquify and Clone. So before we get started, remember to comment, like and subscribe. And now we're going to jump in from where we left off yesterday and talk all about Liquify.
And now we're finally going to look at the Liquify tool. So what I want to adjust is her face. So did you know that you can actually not only liquify the layer itself, but on the group itself? So right now my outlines is in this layer 27, and my color is on layer 31, but I want to liquify the face. I can actually select the entire group and liquify everything at the same time. So I'm going to tap on adjustment and tap on liquify. There's a couple of options here, and usually you won't use like the ends of it. So we're just going to use push, pinch and expand. So let's expand and then adjust the size and tap on her eyes to enlarge it. So now she has really big eyes, and I'm going to use the push tool to adjust her jawline. I'm going to hell for this. And now Mona Lisa still has no eyebrows, but she is much slimmer now because she hasn't been eating, but her neck is still big. So this is what you can do with Liquify. You can liquify your photos if you feel that you need to adjust the proportions, or you can just do silly things like me. You can pinch as well. Pinch will make it smaller again. Or you can give her some artifact at the side using the crystal tool. So if you tap on reconstruct, it will actually revert your painting like step by step. So right now Mona Lisa has been defiled by me. I need to reconstruct it, so I just slowly paint it, and this is actually the original lips with the original eyes, original nose. And then I can also adjust the strength of the liquify. So if I put it to 0, there is no liquify at all. Or I can just put it a little bit, like it just affects a little bit. Because no one wants too much of something, right? But if I just use reconstruct all the way, I can get back her original picture. Or I can just press reset to reset that. So that's how you use Liquify. And now finally we're gonna look at Clone using this painting. So this is a landscape painting that I did a long time ago. So we're gonna look at Clone, and when you tap on Clone, you can see this circle right here. Then you can tap on your brush and select a brush for you to paint in your cloning. So usually I will pick a soft brush. And now let's say I want to duplicate this bush right here to another place, like here. So I'm just putting it where I want it to be. So I'm going to copy from this spot. Then I'm gonna paint here. So now I'm painting, and you can see it's moving and copying the entire area to this new area here. So right now I have another bush of a different color here, and this is how you can use Clone. You can use Clone to like remove pimples, to clone away things in the background. Like for example, let's say I don't want this bush to be here, so I'm gonna clone away the bush. So now I have no more bush. So you can do this for photos.
Okay guys, this marks the end of the adjustment tab tutorial in Procreate, and tomorrow we will start a new journey in learning about transform. So we'll learn how to transform in Procreate tomorrow, and I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Bye!